Well, in his first press conference as Montana's new governor, Gianforte announces he will drop the statewide mask mandate, but also laid out clear criteria for when he will rescind that order. MTN's Jonathan Amberian has those details.
Governor Gianforte announced Tuesday that his new administration will make a shift in priorities in battling COVID. Gianforte said he plans to revise or replace a number of directives from the previous governor. First, he will prioritize getting vaccines to people 70 and older and those with conditions that put them at higher risk for complications. That group could include up to 300,000 Montanans. Gianforte also said he plans to remove the statewide mask mandate, but not immediately. He said he would rescind the mandate only after more of the vulnerable population receives the vaccine and after the legislature approves a bill to protect businesses, schools, and other organizations from lawsuits, if they make a good faith effort to protect people from COVID. He said he believes incentives will be more effective than mandates.
Our goal is to make these new directives and guidance very clear. They will be practical and will take into account that while we are in the middle of a public health crisis, we are also in the middle of an economic crisis.
Gianforte said there's not a specific timetable yet for removing the mask mandate, but he hopes it will be in weeks rather than months. In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.
Thanks, Jonathan. Now, the governor also announced changes coming to the state's COVID-19 dashboard. Those include adding data on the number of vaccines administered in Montana. Well, swift and certain reaction from the state's largest union today, the Montana Federation of Public Employees, speaking out. President Amanda Curtis says in a statement, today's decision to delay the ability of teachers, school employees, and other frontline workers to receive vaccines is unfortunate and a slug in the gut to thousands of heroic Montanans. She says lifting the mask mandate on top of that, quote, undermines and delays efforts in nearly every Montana community to keep schools open and our economy moving forward. The math doesn't add up. The timeline is flawed and the policy is misguided.